A blinking blue light on your Spectrum fiber router indicates it's trying to establish an internet connection. Unlike a solid blue light, which means a stable connection, or solid white for power on with no internet, blinking blue signals the router is in syncing mode and can't fully connect to Spectrum's network. Common causes include loose or damaged fiber cables, issues with the optical network terminal, network outages, or router problems like firmware glitches. The light is part of the router's self-diagnostic system, alerting you to connectivity issues in real time. To fix a blinking blue light, start with basic troubleshooting. Power cycle the router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then reconnecting. Check all cable connections, especially the fiber cable, and verify the ONT's status. For advanced troubleshooting, log into the router's admin panel at 192.168.1.1 to run diagnostics or update the firmware. Spectrum's app offers an AI-powered troubleshooter. If the problem persists, contact Spectrum's 24/7 support for remote assistance. Remember that a damaged Ethernet cable can cause this issue. For a last resort, try replacing the Ethernet cable between the ONT and router.